First we select our scenario and then the test case. As you can see, there are no steps added yet, so now we will create the steps with the help of web automation recording. This is our Cinamon 360 web automation recorder. So now first we enter the URL of the website we want to record and then click start recording. Now we will search for a Chanel product. Add it to the cart, then go to the cart, proceed to checkout and place the order. Now we stop the recording and save it. As you can see, our recording has been completed. Now we can view the recording. Basically, before adding it as the main step, we can edit the steps and also remove any unnecessary or extra steps. Now we save it. And even after saving, you can still edit or delete the steps. Now we will run the execution. I will select yeah, we will start the execution. I will select the environment as dev and start the execution. And here the execution results. Everything has passed successfully, and there is a screenshots. Yeah. Thank you.